problems. So transportation assignment problems are nothing but a part of a transportation only. కాకపోతే వీఆర్ మేకింగ్ ఈవెన్ మోర్ క్లియర్ అనమాట. సో అసైన్మెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ క్యాన్ బి ఇట్స్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ బట్ క్యాన్ బి యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అసైన్మెంట్ థింగ్స్. సో ఓన్లీ ఈజ్ దీస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు యూజ్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ వన్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ అంటే అలా కాదు. ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ వేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ మీ a better solutions. లేదా ప్రోడక్ట్స్ని వీ హ్యావ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అండ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మెషిన్స్. సో వాటికి కూడా ఎలా అసైన్ చేయాలి. సో ఎనీవేర్ వేర్ వీ హ్యావ్ మల్టిపుల్ ఆప్షన్స్ with multiple alternatives we are going to use these kind of options. Okay, assignment problems. So here the question goes on like this, that is this is about machines and this side we have got jobs. So machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4, machine 5. Then job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4 and job 5. So the question is like this and we have to assign. So 7, 5, 9, 8, 11. Then 9, 12, 7, 11, 10. Then 8, 5, 4, 6, 9, 7, 3, 6, 9, 5. So here also our intention is what? We have to go with the activities to be done with a minimum cost. So my intention here also it will be the same. So now this is a question. Now in the previous class I have done about a VAM analysis. In this problem only I have done a VAM analysis. So VAM analysis lo we have chosen minimum price. We have chosen minimum price and it's not only one minimum price we have chosen. We choose two minimum prices. Two minimum prices choose chesi, like if I have 2 and 6 and 5. So I have chosen two minimum prices. So ఇందులో 2 minimum prices అంటే 2 is the first minimum and 5 is the second minimum. So ఇలా 2 prices we used to select and we used to find out a solution. Now when it comes to these kind of assignment problem, here we are not going to use 2 minimum prices. We'll use only minimum one particular price, and that too with a row wise we are going to do it as well as a column wise we are going to do it. So ikkada first I am going with a row wise I am doing. So what is this? 7, 5, 9, 8, 11 low. Which one is a minimum? 5. So this is the one, right? So what I am going to do is this one I am going to minus with every figure anamata. Ante here when I am assigning a problem, my number should turn out to be a 0. So main నాకు సొల్యూషన్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? ఏదైనా నా నంబర్ అనేది 0 అయినప్పుడు నా సొల్యూషన్ అనేది ఈజీ. సో ఆ సొల్యూషన్ రావాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీ ఉన్న వాటిల్లో నుంచి ఒకటి పిక్ చేసి నేను 0 చేయాలి. సో అందుకే ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే మినిమం ఉంటుందో దాన్ని మనం పిక్ చేసి మిగతావన్నిటిని మనం మైనస్ చేస్తాం. సో మిగతావన్నీ మైనస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్గా నంబర్ విచ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సెలెక్టెడ్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో షుడ్ బి మైనస్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ దీస్ వన్ ఆల్సో విల్ బి బికమ్స్ a 0 when I am minusing a number with itself. So that is what. So here my solution starts with selecting first one. So this is my M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5. So here it is job 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this one first one I have selected what? 5. So here 5 minus 7 is equal to 2, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, 5 minus 9 is equal to 4, 5 minus 8 is equal to 3, 5 minus 11 is equal to 6. Now this is done. Likewise I have to go for this one also, no? So 9, 12, 7, 11, 10 low. Which one is the minimum? 7. So now I'll start minusing everything. 7 minus 9 is equal to 2, 5 is equal to 5, 0, 4, 3. Then again I'll come here 8, 5, 4, 6, 9 low, which is the least 4. So 4, 1, 0, 2 and 5. Then again 3, 7, 3, 6, 9, 5 లో least ఏది 3. So 4, 0, 3, 6 and 2. And here 4, 6, 7, 5, 11 లో which is the least 4. So 0, 6, sorry, 2, 3, 1 and 7. Okay, so ఇలా అయిపోయింది. Now should I proceed or not అనేది I'm going to select. First I'll see అంటే everywhere I should have a 0 అన్నమాట. When I'm checking out, is I got a 0 in every row or not, I have to check it, because I said our answer will be mostly based upon the zeros only. So that's why when I'm checking my row, in this row I have got a 0. Okay, and in this row I have got a one more 0, and here also I got a 0, here also I got a 0, as well as here. Now I have to check, cross check in a column wise, అంటే నా కాలం ప్రకారం కూడా I should have a zeros అన్నమాట. So when I am checking, I got a 0 here. When I am checking here, I got a 0. Here I have got a 0. But these two columns are without the zeros. So what we'll do, until here I am not going to touch. I will repeat the same sum. But once this one, I want it, no? So now I'll go with the same practice what we made. So now we'll select a minimum from the column. Okay, done. So now I'm going to repeat. Until 3 machines, I'm going to repeat the same numbers. I'm not going to change it. So machine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4, job 5. Now I said first 3 machines I'm not going to change it. I'm not going to touch it. So that's why I'm going to repeat the same. 2, 0, 4 are there. So 2, 0, 4. Then 2, 5, 0. So 2, 5, 0. 2, 6, 1 low, which is the minimum? 1. So what I'm going to do? 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 6, 1 minus 1. So how much I'm going to get it, ma? 1 minus 3 is equal to 2, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, and here it is 1 minus 1, 0. Now likewise I have to choose here 6, 3, 5, 2, 7, which is the minimum? 2. So 2 I am going to minus from everything. 6 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2, likewise till the end. So here 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 0 and 5. So now again I am going to go with my same thing. According to row wise and according to column wise, I am going to check it out. Do I got a zeros or not? So here in my first row I got a 0, second is a 0, third one I have got a 0, fourth I have got a 0, fifth I have got a zeros, row wise. Now I'll check equally into the column wise. In my first column there is a 0, second column there is a 0, third column there is a 0, fourth there is a 0, fifth there is a 0. So now I can proceed it. Now how you are going to proceed it? See here, ma. First I always give importance to the row. Then I am going to give importance to the column. So first always I will check in this format. Okay, fine, ma. So when I am selecting this part, I should see that I should have a 0. And 2 zeros if I have, I am going to skip it. అంటే when I am going through one row, ఈ రోలో నాకు ఒకటే 0 ఉండాలి. I should not have any other 0. Got the point, ma? So if by mistake I have 2 zeros, then I won't touch this one. I will skip it. I'll move on to the next one. Okay, done? So first I am going with my J1 row. So when I am seeing here 2, 0, 4, 2, 1 is there. So I have got only 1 0. I can select it, no? So which one I am selecting? I'll make a square box. Okay, done, ma? So I am checking. Please see here. When I am checking in a row, it is a horizontal. I have choose this one. Now give me one more pen. Black pen even on the, or a pencil, anything. Going with a column wise, row wise, to strike it from the vertical format. Done? Is this clear, ma? Yes. Then I'll go with the second, third row. Here 4, 1 I have 0 but it is waste I say. ఒకసారి స్ట్రైక్ అయిందంటే it is not countable, it becomes null. So I got only 4, 1, 3. I don't have any zeros. So I'll skip it off. Then I'll come to the J4 wherein 4, 5, 0 I got. Yeah. You can say, you can ask me like, madam I have got 2 zeros, but this one is got striked off. It is wasting kana. So kabatti it is called a null. So alantappudu I have only 1 0 ane kada ardham. So that's why I'm going to select it. And once I select it, what I'm going to do it? Strike it off in a vertical format. And when I come to the J5, J5, I want to select, but I have got 2 zeros. And I said when I have got 2 zeros, we'll skip it off. So that's why I'm leaving it out. Is this fine? Now, row wise is completed. So this is a row wise we have done. Row wise. For horizontal, strike vertically. Okay, row ante it's a horizontal, strike it in a vertical. Now I am going to, actually we can complete here itself, but I want to make sure you should understand this one. So that is the reason. Now I am selecting in a columnar manner. So columnar manner I am going to continue with the same M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, then J1, J2, J3, J4 and J5. So here same numbers I am repeating everything I am repeating it same. Just now how I will select it I will tell you. 0, 3, 1 and here it is 4, 1, 0, 1, 3. 4, 0, 3, 5, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 5. So which are the two things we have striked off? So I am striking it the same once again. This is the one and I have selected, first one is this one, second one is this one and this is the last one, and we striked off 3 things in a vertical format. Now row wise is completed. Now I am going to the column wise. So column wise annappudu I have come down to the first column. So first column lo 2, 2, 4, 4, 0. I have got only 1 0 kada nana. So I can select this one now. So I am selecting this one. So once I selected, I have selected in the vertical, but I strike off in a horizontal. So this is what I am going to strike. Now this 0 is also gone. Now again, this is already we have assigned, we'll leave it off. This is also done, we'll leave it off. Now here when I am going it out, here my 1 0 is there, but still it got striked off. So I am not going to touch it anymore. So now what we will do is, now this one I am going to see how many zeros I have made a square boxes. అంటే to any number of boxes is zeros we నేను చేశాను. So when I see here I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have selected is what 4, and when I see in a rows and a columns how many are there, I have got 5. So that means the rows are 5, but I have selected zeros only are 4. So it is not equal, no? So it is unequal. So that's why what we'll do is we'll go with one more simple step. What is that is, we are going to, the leftover part are there, no ma? This particular column and this particular column, among this one I will select the minimum. Okay, once again I am going to select what? Minimum. Endukante somehow I should get 1 0 extra. A 0 రావాలి అంటే మళ్ళీ I have to minus a number with itself. మరి అలాంటప్పుడు ఇందులోంచి కదా నేను మినిమం వెతుక్కోవాలి. సో అందుకే ఆ 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 3, 1, 5 which is the minimum? 1. Okay, done. So this one I am going to select. But when I am going to do it, these somehow will be affected, no? So remember, single line ఉన్నవి మాత్రం ఏవి ఎఫెక్ట్ కావు నాన్న. సింగిల్ లైన్ ఉన్నవి ఏవి ఎఫెక్ట్ కావు, అస్సలు టచ్ చేయండి వాటిని, ఎలా ఉన్నాయో అలాగే పెడతాం. బట్ ఏవైతే ఇలా ప్లస్ అని ఉన్నాయి చూడండి, దెన్ హియర్ అండ్ దెన్ లాస్ట్, ఈ ప్లస్ అనే వాటికి ఈ నంబర్ నీకు యాడ్ అవుతుంది. ఏదైతే మినిమం చేసావు చూడు, అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తాను, లేదా యూ హ్యావ్ సెలెక్టెడ్ 2 అనుకోండి, 2తో యాడ్ చేస్తాను. అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ అని ఉన్న దగ్గర మాత్రం ఇట్ బికమ్స్ వాట్ additions. So ఎన్నిసార్లు ప్లస్ అయింది 1 2 3 places. So what I'll do is first we'll go for signing that one. 2 3 4 5. Job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4, job 5. Now first I'll go. This is not a plus. It's a single line. So కాబట్టి దాన్ని వదిలేస్తున్నాను. Now it is machine 2 లో ఏ నెంబర్తో మా 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then here I got one more plus. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. This is in a single line, so I will not touch it. But here again it is plus. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Is this clear, ma? So plus and ekkadaithe unnayo vaatiki we have added with a minimum value. Okay. Now whatever are in the single line, no, I should not touch it. They should be posted as it is. Now first I am coming with this one. So here it is in a single line, so I am going to make it as it is 0. Here also it is in a single line, I am going to make it as it is in a 0. Now దీన్ని నేను టచ్ చేయను, ఏవైతే స్ట్రైక్ ఆఫ్ చేశాను దాన్ని మాత్రమే సిమిలర్గా పెడతాను అన్నాను కదా. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అగైన్ అ 0 యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఐల్ 0. సేమ్ 5 1 0 and here 4 0 0 3. Here sorry no, here 4 1 3 0. Now this leftover part is there, no ma? So when I have chosen a minimum, ఎక్కడైతే ప్లస్ ఉందో అక్కడ ప్లస్ చేశాను. మరి 0 రావాలి అంటే మిగతా 1/8కి మైనస్ చేయాలి కదా. సో ఈ నంబర్స్ని 1/8తో మైనస్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాం. ఓకేనా. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ మై మినిమమ్. సో 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. And here 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 0 and is this clear, ma? Now I am going to repeat the same. What I am going to repeat? First a row wise, again assigning the things in a row wise. So again I will go with the same thing. So here there is only 1 0, so I am going to select this one. So once I selected, strike it off. Then here I have got only 1 0, so strike it off. Then here I have got only 1 0, so I am striking. And here when I see here I got only 1 0 because it has already got striked off kadama. So and here this is 1 0. I am going to strike. So total ki 5 rows I got and 5 zeros I have got selected. Check it out. So now 5 is equal to 5 rows. It became equal, no? So now it is assigned. So what is that it is assigned? And first J1 job 1 we selected which machine? Machine number 2. Then job 2 we selected which machine? Machine 3. Job 3 we selected machine number 4. Job 4 we selected machine number 5 and job 5 we selected machine number 1. So therefore the cost is equal to, so therefore how we are going to take the cost is equal to J1 we said machine. So here we will take a direct cost and the price is there, no ma. So how much is it? J1 M2 actual price is how much, ma? 5 rupees, which is machine 2. Then J2 machine 3 I said J2 7, which is machine 3. J3 I said machine number 4. So here 4 ante it is 6, which is machine number 4. J4 which is machine number 5. So last 5 which is machine number 5. And J5 we came again back to 4 which is machine number 1. So therefore my total cost is equal to how much, ma? 5 plus 5 10 17 23 27 is my cost. So with the minimum cost we are going to assign
all the machines to all the jobs in such a manner that my cost automatically becomes a minimal.